Hello and welcome, my dear fellow food lovers from the team of CurriesToCustard. We are so glad that you found us. Today we are sharing the recipe of Desi Ghee or clarified butter that we are going to create from the white butter. So it involves two steps because first we are going to make white butter from the fresh milk cream that we gathered for 10 days. So let's get started. If you're watching us for the first time, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, CurriesToCustard. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. So let's get started. Alright, so let's first make the white butter. And for that, all we need is the milk cream that we gathered for a few days and half a liter of water. Now mix the water into the milk cream and break the lumps with the help of a spoon. Now you can either use a hand whisker or an electric whisker and whisk it till the time you see the butter separating, or else you can just simply put it in a mixer jar and run it till the time you see the butter getting separated from the water. After a few minutes, you can see that the butter has separated from the water and has come on the surface. Now take out the butter from the water and keep it on a plate. Squeeze out all the excess water and your white butter is ready. And yeah, that remaining water is actually the buttermilk. So add some seasoning to it and your Desi style summer cooler drink is ready. Now let's move on to the second step, wherein we are going to create Desi Ghee out of this white butter. Now add the butter into the skillet or a deep pan. Break it with the help of a spatula. You can see that the butter has melted and looks quite frothy at this point in time. Now we would just let it simmer and keep stirring it every now and then. After 8 to 10 minutes, you would be able to see the froth settling and some crystals at the bottom of the pan. After a few minutes, the ghee looks quite clear and a few more crystals floating all over the pan. Now switch off the gas flame and leave it for 2 minutes. Now with the help of a strainer, strain it into a bowl. Our pure and delicious Desi Ghee is ready to be served. You can either use it right now or leave it for a few hours till the time it takes its natural form and color. Please do try making this recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.